Hello everybody, welcome to my very messy art room. So for the past however many months it's been since I posted, I've been gearing myself up for 2022 because I've been wanting to start posting again, and my goal was to put out at least one video a month for 2022, and I'm already 3 months behind. So the reason I'm sat like this is because I'm too lazy to get up and move this. Should probably tell you what we're doing today. I've wanted to do it for a while. I am going to attempt to make my own paper, and then maybe while that paper is drying, I also I've had this really weird urge for a while now to do some lino printing, which I haven't done in a while, so I'm gonna give that a go. Hey, where did my son go? Okay. I don't know what I'm doing, but hopefully it'll work out. Maybe? We'll see. Do paper anymore. I don't like that. Gross. Now that we've got the gross pulpy stuff, I've got a tub. I'm just following instructions off the internet, by the way. I have no clue what I'm doing. So it's essentially like a little frame. That's got a screen on one side, and this is like what you use to make the paper. I went for the, you can get bigger ones, I went for a smaller one so that I wouldn't have to cut it to size. We're gonna make some little paper, and also this is photo frame size, so anything that I make can be framed real easy. So it came with 12 on the internet, lie. I'm gonna regret all the things. Tasty. I'm just gonna put it in here. It's all kinds of disgusting. Whose idea was this? That was a very bad idea. And you put this in here. I'm just gonna do a tester one first. And close this frame. Oh, okay. Oh, no, I get it. I get it. I get it. Should look up a tutorial, really. And then you kind of flip it out and it looks gross, actually. I don't think that looks like paper at all. I've done it a few times now and I think I got the hang of it. It's kind of cool. I don't know how I feel about it because it's kind of gross, but also, and I don't think the paper's gonna turn out particularly well. It's kind of cool. I don't think I'm doing it right. But yeah. Come make paper. Come make paper. Right. I decided to try doing lots of different colours. I only have 3 inks and I didn't realise that, so I had red, yellow and blue. So I managed to get some pale ones done, and some pink, and then I kind of just added in what I felt like
This actually turned out quite well. I'm impressed, certainly. So they turned out really textured and crinkled because I didn't realise that you're supposed to flatten them or put them on a smooth surface. So it's very, very texture. Luckily, I'm a big fan of texture. And I just think it's really cool. Look at all that texture, man. Ooh. Not quite sure what I'm going to do on them yet. I kind of want to do a lino print and see how it turns out. But if it's too textured, it might not work as well. But I guess we'll see. This one's got little bits of yarn in, look. This one's purple and blue, and I'm not sure how I managed that. Because at one point I was just mixing all of the colours. It's kind of green. And then this is the one that I put yarn into. The problem with this one is that the yarn comes out like so easily. So I don't think that'll be very helpful. But we'll see. We'll see. Already have got some stuff drawn out. Because obviously I'm an illustrator, so I might as well just take something I've already illustrated. So this is kind of an idea that I want to do, but I think it's going to be a lot of hard work. It was taken originally from this, which I am getting stickers of, so stay tuned. So this is the first one that I kind of want to do. But then last night I found a new brush and did some of this. Oh! And I kind of want to have a go at doing the mountain, and I also really like You Are My True Frog, but I don't think I'm going to be able to do the writing for that because I'm terrible at writing. So I think I'm going to have a go at the mountain first. I could do with a pencil, but I don't have a pencil. I can boogie all night long. I don't have a pencil, so I'm going to Posca it and hope for the best. I can boogie. This is some kind of wine I could do. Okay, so this is it done. It's not perfect, and I think it's going to still need a little bit of scraping out, because I don't think I scraped quite deep enough in some areas. But I'm going to do a test print and see. Damn, this could have been so cool, but it didn't do the thing. Do a little bit of Posca drawing instead. because it's just being rude.
So this was a fun project. It was very chaotic. This sun's really terrible today. I mean, it's not because I love the sun, but... So here's what I made. Gouache paint. Little mountain guy from Posca. He's so cute. He's so cute. And also flower collage. Things I would do differently next time. I wouldn't put yarn in any of the paper because the yarn was a bad idea. I'll probably try and put something heavy on top of the paper while it's drying, just to smooth some of the crinkles out because the texture was mwah. But unfortunately it's really difficult to work on when it's got all the texture, so I'd maybe try and flatten it out just a little bit. I really like the spectrum of colours that I got for the paper, but I kind of want a little bit more ink so that I can make a broader range of colours. Thank you for watching, guys. I love all of you, and I will see you hopefully in the next video.